Good morning, dear children. Today we are going to learn and understand the poem Dear Santa, did you get my tweet? Do you know who Santa Claus is? You must have heard about him close to Christmas time. Children believe that Santa brings gifts for them during Christmas. Imagine you want Santa Claus to give you a gift. How would you ask him for the same? In this poem, a child like you is asking Santa to send gifts for him. For that, he is using all the modern means of communication like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. But then also, he is not sure whether Santa would receive his post that he sent through the social media like Facebook or Twitter. So finally, he decides to use the old means of communication, that is, writing the letter. So let's enjoy the poem. So this is a funny poem written by Ken Nesbitt. So let's start the poem now. Dear Santa, did you get my tweet of presents I would think are sweet? And what about my Facebook post of toys and stuff I want the most? So in this first stanza, the child questions the Santa whether he has received the list of the desired Christmas gifts which he sent through Twitter and Facebook. Dear Santa, did you read my blog? That's where I keep a running log of all the times that I have been good and doing things I know I should. So now here the child wishes to know whether Santa has read his blog where he maintains the list of all the good deals that he has done, and he also aware of deals that he should do. I hope you saw my Instagram. My email wasn't flagged as spam. You have seen my YouTube channel too, and all my texts have made it true. Here the poet expresses the restlessness of the child as he wants to know whether his Instagram has seen, whether his mails were read marked as spam. He wants to know if at all Santa has viewed his YouTube channel. This also shows that the child is in dilemma whether or not his messages and video are being viewed by Santa. Wait, does the North Pole even get computers and the internet? I hope it does. I mean it better, or I might have to write a letter. This stanza shows his uncertainty about the North Pole. Having the computer, it has won, and that his messages were reading Santa, though he is quite hopeful, yet he is giving a second thought on importance of letter to Santa, to being very sure that he receives the messages. Hope you all understood the poem very well. So let's continue the chapter with a small quiz based on the chapter. The first question is, the child sent his tweet to his friend Shaktiman Santa. And the answer is Santa. Next question, the poet is talking about which post? Light post, Facebook post, volley post. And the answer is Facebook post. Next one, the child asks whether the internet is available in the USA, at the North Pole, under the ocean. And the answer is at the North Pole. Next one, which channel is the poet talking about? YouTube channel, cartoon channel, news channel. And the answer is YouTube channel. Now the next one, what is the name of the poet? Nandini Nair, Ken Nesbitt, Ruskin Bond. And the answer is Ken Nesbitt. So this is enough for today. I think you all have learned the poem, understood the poem. Thanks for watching patiently.